It's the process.
Hot day on tap for us on this Wednesday. Right now, we're waiting on that sun to rise. I know it's nice and cool now, or comfortable. So now's the time to get the run at the peak of the heat of the day. Yesterday's record high temperatures, too many to fit on one page, but I wanted to mention Woodland Hills, 101 record high temperature, Anaheim 100. Long Beach was 99 degrees yesterday, 98 in downtown LA. Even LAX recorded a high temperature. By the way, yesterday's 99 in Long Beach was the all-time high temperature for the city, which beat the old record of 98 degrees last set back in 1998. So today, more of the same, more possibilities, more record highs because of this area of high pressure. This big dome of high pressure is just anchored over the southwest, continuing to produce this offshore flow, warming up the atmosphere 20 to 30 plus degrees above normal. So, of course, those heat alerts are in place for the very hot, dangerous heat that will continue. So we want to warn you again, please hydrate, drink a lot of water, especially if you have to work outdoors under these weather conditions. Make sure you take numerous breaks. These extreme heat warnings and heat advisories will continue through at least Friday. I would not be surprised if it gets expanded into Saturday. Temperatures will start to drop on Saturday, but I think more noticeable cooling. I say cooling on Sunday into next week. 96 for downtown today, 106 in Indio. Here's your day planner for Riverside, going up to 98 degrees at 3 p.m. this afternoon. As we get into the hotter months, of course, you want to keep your pets safe. Check on the kids, the elderly. We've got extreme heat warnings in effect for the potential for heat-related illnesses, and certainly our furry friends are susceptible to that as well. 78 to 83 degrees on the sand, with surf heights coming in at 2 to 4 feet. Really refreshing in the water in those mid-60s, so I know you're going to try to find some relief there along our coast. We'll get some relief, I think, this weekend, especially if you're at the beach. You may feel it as early as Saturday. I think more so everyone else on Sunday, at least more noticeable anyway. 94 today for downtown LA. Sunday we'll get back down to the 80s, which is still above average, and we'll kind of keep it in that range as we get into midweek next week. 101 in the valleys in the Inland Empire. You can see we'll get back down to the 80s on Sunday, and then just hover near that, or low 90s for the better part of next week. 82 up into the mountains, and as we get to the high desert, of course, some heat there. Today with lots of sunshine, 94, and then the Coachella Valley as we get to Palm Springs. You can get it to be really hot, triple digits there, 107 this afternoon.